Hey, welcome to another video. In the last tutorial, we've seen how to add the cart to the database and how to link this user interface when we click here and this model appear and when we type the quantity of the product, and then when we submit we add this product to the cart that belong to specific user, and we track this cart by a variable that we store in this session, HTTP session. So I made a few changes here in the code, and don't worry, I will after I finish this video I will upload the code to GitHub, and I will leave a link below down the video in YouTube. So that's it. And the change I made, I changed this. I had here the HTTP session, and I kinda did not like it because the HTTP servlet request, from HTTP servlet request you can get the HTTP session and a lot of more information. So I want to use directly the HTTP servlet request, and we get down here actually the usual. We use the request and get the session, and we pass the true. That means if we don't have a session yet, we create one, and we try to get the attribute with the name session token. So if this session has already created there, and it's contained this variable, it's gonna store it. It's gonna return this string session token, cast it to a string, and store it in our variable here. So if not, it's gonna just return a null, and we store it here, and we test here. If it's null, then we create a new one using the UID this helper class here, and we store this session token variable inside inside the session, and then we save we invoke this method in order to save the shopping cart in the database. If not, if this session token is not new, that means the user has already added something to the cart. So this was tricky. Last time I changed a few things. Basically just the business, the logic here. So we get here, we try to find the shopping cart, but sometimes what we get is we still have this session token stored in our HTTP session in the request, but there is nothing here because due to error or something, we could not save the shopping cart. So you always need to test if this is not null. If even the session exists, it's always good to test that this session is really linked to a shopping cart that really exists on the database. So we test if it's not null, and if it's not null, we extract the set of cart item, still using the set here. We iterate over them. If this, I'm gonna get rid of this. If this cart item, if this set of cart item contain the product that we are wanting to add to the cart item already, this product is already there in the shopping cart, that means we are just going to update the quantity in the cart item. So that's it. We get the old quantity and we add the new quantity to it, and that's it. And we save the change and flash. That's it. If not, if this cart item is not null, but this product does not exist in this, if this cart shopping cart is not null and this product does not exist in the shopping cart, we get down here. So when we finish with it, we get down here. It's still, we started with false here, and if we get here, that means we changed it to true. If not, that means it does not exist, but this is not null, and we need this another condition. It does not exist, but the shopping cart does exist. It means we are creating new cart item, associating to it the product, and updating the sets of cart items or cart item that belong to shopping cart, then saving. If this is still null and this somehow this session token is still stored in the session, but it has no shopping cart associated with it in the database, so it's like we're doing saving the shopping carts for the first time. So we call just this method up here. So that's it. I guess it's working fine. It's working just the way I want it to work now. So if we edit this and let's give it the quantity of 2, and so to just track this and see. So this is the cart item, and if we added more, so we get 2 plus 2, it's 4. Now it should be 4 there. So that's it. And if we moved it to this product and we select the quantity 3, we should have a new row here because it's new product. That's it. And if we added something here, 3 plus 2 is 5, so that's it. But we always have one shopping cart because it's associated to one session. So that's how we're gonna, if there is another session, we're gonna create another session there, and so we will have multiple row here of the shopping cart. So this is the logic behind it, and now I'm gonna move to implement this, and when I click this, it should take us to the shopping cart's content. So what I'm gonna do is, first of all, I've already found something on the internet. So I found something, it's this, and I'm gonna try to put this thing, this HTML inside something like this. So when we click, we get there. So what we need, we still need the basic, this and this. So we're just gonna copy and paste and remove just this section over here in the middle, and replace it with this. So, and we're gonna change a little bit on here, so to fit our application need. And so that's it. And I'm gonna go to template and index. Let's move to detail. We have the same thing. And where is the container, line, row? I guess this is it. No, it's not. So this is it, I guess. Yes, this is it. So this is the content here, and I'm gonna just grab this and copy and paste, create a new. I'm gonna name it the cart. It's gonna be an HTML file, and I'm gonna give it the name of cart or shopping cart. Shopping cart, and I'm gonna click finished. Get rid of this, And so that's it. So up here I'm gonna get rid of this column, bootstrap column, and as well of this column, and I'm gonna replace it with the new content, which is the cart. I have it stored here, so I'm gonna open it right here, this editor, and I'm just so it's inside a container, but padding. So we'll see how it's gonna look like. I guess it's start right here because we have a div. Yes, that's it, I guess. A little bit of formatting, and I'm gonna go back here, click save, get rid of this shopping cart, and get rid of this detail, shopping cart HTML, shopping cart controller. So I'm just going to create a controller, get method, gets mapping, and I'm gonna pass to it the shopping cart, and I'm just gonna try. I will try public, and it's gonna take always return a string. Show shopping cart view, and it's gonna take an HTTP servlet request, and it's gonna be a request, and as well model. We need the HTTP request to check for that session token that is stored in the HTTP servlet. So return, and for now I'm just gonna return the shopping cart, and just update, refresh, and rerun the application. Hopefully I spell it right here, so we don't get a problem. And I'm gonna just slash shopping cart, so we just see how it does looks like. And we get here, it's not recognized. We did not save this controller, that's why. Click hits, so we get this, and it's a little bit messed up, but I know, at least I know why it looks like that, because we didn't add any CSS or anything. So I'm gonna grab this CSS right here, right from here, and I'm gonna copy it, go to static CSS, and just paste it, then go up here and adjust style, which is gonna be just like that. Gonna get rid of this card because we don't have the card here, and I'm gonna name it the cards, because the card is for the now it's much better, so we can use this. it's kinda pretty. So we get the it's pretty, I like it, and can clear the cards from here, update the cards, check out or go back to. So I'm gonna start implementing these button here, and so we go down here, and we have a table, and this table contains this, and so before I need this button, check out, update the cart, and back to shopping cart. This gonna get each ref which takes to the head, to here, to the, so it's just gonna take us back. So that's it. Update the cart. We're gonna, and so those are the, this is the footer, and those are the what the select. This is a select, and we can generate this, but anyway, or we can just keep it like not a select, I guess. So anyway, I'm just gonna leave just one, so because I'm gonna, for the rest I'm gonna generate them automatically, that's why. And this is TD, this is TD, this is TR, so I'm gonna get rid of all of these, and like see, oh, we still have something here. We need to get rid of that too. I guess this is it, the TR. Yes, we need to get this rid of all of this, I guess. Yes, that's much better. We need to get rid of another one, and this gonna be, I guess, this one. TD. Nope. Maybe all this TR here, because I only needed just one, because I'm gonna use theme leaf to generate all of these, the other ones. So I'm gonna go here, and here we have the product. Here the source of the product. So I'm gonna, what I need to generate is this TR. So I'm gonna write for th here, each, and it's gonna be something like cart item, and it's gonna be from the, we're gonna get it from the shopping cart dot items. So that's how we've named it there in the backend, and it's gonna have a door sign, and so, and for the index, I'm having, just gonna copy and paste something here. I'm looking for the image, the image. Yes, the source. The image source, I'm gonna replace this with the source, but here is the not the product but cart item. This cart item dot product then image. So that's it. And this is gonna be the product name. So the product name contain the product name, then the product price. So this should be the product name. Price here, not the size. We don't have the size, any size. And then we get rid of this. We go back here. I'm just trying to be quick, but I guess I'm even slower. Let's get rid of this. And these actually. So if we have a span here somewhere, open it span. Get rid of this. So this is the price, and this is the total, and this is the cart item. So this is the price of the wool product there, and it's just the, and it's not the product price but the product price. The product price, it should be something like this. No, we don't need this dollar here. Yes, the dollar, we need the dollar. I guess it should be something like this. Dot, not the product, we're not using the products. So this is gonna be the cart item dot, and for the same thing here, cart item dot product, and we're just gonna, because this is yes, this is just the price, but over here it's not just the price because it's the total price. It's gonna be cart item dot, and we're gonna multiply that with multiply these, all of this, by the not the product but the quantity cart item quantity. So what do we get here? No, this is subtotal, and this is the discount. So this is gonna be the something like cart item discount, and it's gonna be something like cart item discount, and discount, and open this. So this is the discount, and before we execute this, we need to always get this, always try to get this, and if it's not null, if it's null, then we're just gonna, if it's null, and if it's null, else see what we're gonna do if the null. Else what we have to do is shopping carts, use shopping cart, and this is gonna be shopping cart, shopping cart, and it's gonna be shopping cart, shopping cart service, and get no, not shopping cart service, but yes, shopping cart service, and we need get shopping cart by session took, and we pass the session took. So implement this method real quick, and it's just gonna return this. Nothing much. So that's it, and we will add this shopping cart to the model. Add attribute, and we will make sure to name it exactly give it this exactly the same name we used here. Damn it. And this is gonna be the shopping cart itself, the object. So we don't have any error, and if it's null, what we're gonna do is just create a if it's null, then there is nothing. And we can just create a pass this model attribute and just do this. So we get an empty, and just create a new and shopping cart like this and pass it. Another thing I want to add is so we see we get this, we have just this product, but we got something here, we got some error here, and because I've already added to the cart and the cart is not empty, and we are having some error here in the somewhere in the template line 350. So over here, what we got here, this product, this doesn't multiply, and I'm just gonna get rid of it and see how I can fix it. So that's it for now, and I'll try to. I'm still getting errors. To rerun the application. So I'm still getting errors somewhere in the HTML, the discount cannot be found on discount on objects. What objects? Cart item. No, the discount is not part of cart item. Yes, I forgot that. I forgot that cart item is, and it's gonna be product. Yes, product discount. Right. So here is it. We got it. And what we need to do is this subtotal here. We got this subtotal here, and the subtotal is the shopping cart. And I'm gonna create it's just shopping cart and itself, and let's go back to here, and shopping cart, what we got, total price. Yes, this one. So that's it. I guess we got one here and one here. This is 2000 and this is 100. So the subtotal is 300, I guess. Let me see the cart item. No, we have more than just one, and we need to update this. This gonna be fix that. This is not just not use this select, and I'm gonna use just an input, and it's gonna be the type. I'm gonna give it number. There, and it's gonna have the name quantity, GT, and it's gonna have a value, th value, and it's gonna be the quantity itself, which is cart item quantity. So let's see how it's gonna look like, and it doesn't look that pretty, but what we can do, we can still leave this select right over here, and what we actually do is we add another option here, and what we do here is this, and we just mark it selected. So that's it. You can keep the same interface, the same look. And let's move all this here and mark it, select. That's it. Get rid of this input right here, down. So we get it. We get that. and we can add like more, or we can just anyway we will fix this. And we will fix this. We adjust the value over here, and value it's gonna be 2, and here 1, and here 3, 3, and over here it's gonna be the 4. We can generate this automatically with TimeLeaf in a loop, but whatever, we can still use just this. We'll fix this later, I guess. 6, it's gonna be 7, and this is 6, 7, and this is 6. So and later we will do the delete this cart item from the shopping cart, and I need this, and if this I can right now fix it. So it's up here, somewhere here, up here, it's up somewhere. This is it. So this 10 here, it's gonna be like shopping cart, and it's gonna be the item number. So close the curly braces, and we run. Since we have 2 items here, so should see something like 2 there, and there we go, we got some problem. Discount cannot be found on object type of cart item, where this may not be publicly valid. Discount, where we put the discount somewhere here. I guess I've changed it. Where we have this problem. So what I'm getting here could not parse shopping cart item number. Yes, this is Y cart item. It's whining about this items number. This should have curly braces here. So I'm gonna get back to that page, and just click the shopping cart, and there we go, we got 2. So I'm gonna stop here, right here, and in the next tutorial I'm gonna implement the clear cart and delete the item from the shopping cart and fix the subtotal, apply coupon, update the cart. So everything I'm gonna fix this right here in other pages like here, and so that's it, and see you in the next video.